Hi, today I'm going to teach you a little bit about sunflowers. I started these in early spring from seed, and they're just ready to harvest now. My brother Gideon here loves to snack on them, so we thought this would be a good, healthy way for him to eat them. And we know where they come from, and we know they're not sprayed. If you break it in half, it's much easier to get them out, because it is a little challenging. See the nice edges?
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
What are you making?
Making a curtain for a tall window. Next, we are going to soak them overnight in salt water. We have soaked these overnight, and we are going to rinse them off and put them on a tray to cook.
Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
I'm going to rinse rinsing these, and when they're about dry, we are going to cook them.
Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark.
Now I'm spraying them with olive oil, and I will salt them. We are now going to roast them for 35 to 40 minutes. We cook these at 300 for 40 minutes.
You want to show them, Gideon?
At the dentist asked why I broke my back that off, I'll just say I was eating sunflower seeds.
This is the end. Do 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 do. This is the end. Do do do.